Everyone, this is Kinjibo Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Kingdom, Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa na ito reaction video, ang Barda compilation. Ito na ata yung last video ko for today's video at pang-10 na ito sa kaka-defend ko sa Barda. So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Ito yung interview ni David Licao ko sa exclusive sa Beauty Empire. Kahapon ko in-upload eh. Tingnan natin to.
I am grateful. I've been working with GMA the past 7 years.
Oo, ang gwapo naman ni Ginoo.
Part of my life.
Ang gwapo ni Ginoo dito.
It's my life even, you know. Like
it's my life.
7 years that has defined my...
Ay! Wait!
GMA the past...
7 years pa lang siya?
7 years. You know, it's been a big part of my life. Come to think of it, it's
totoo ba?
My life.
Akala ko matagal na siya.
7 years that has defined my, not only my career, but also my whole personality.
Okay.
This is the first time working with
View.
I'm looking forward to it. And as for Creation Studio, I would say they're very creative. By its name pa lang, the whole story of Beauty Empire and
okay,
unique, right? It's something that you don't see normally on TV, and I'm also excited for me to be able to work with them. So yung connection namin ni Barbie, diba? Siyempre, we have been working since 2022, since Maria Clara Nebara. I hope to say na meron kaming connection, meron kaming chemistry on screen. Yun yung gusto kong maipalabas dito sa aking appearance, aking guesting dito sa Beauty Empire. I would say that he has gone through a lot, but he sees life positively. Now, despite all the negative things that have happened to him, he is able to rise above them. And I feel like that is life. We have to solve our problems and eventually become better so that we don't, if we are to encounter those problems again, we handle them better. So I see him as someone na in touch with life.
Ang gwapo niya. Pero si Ginoo ngayon, alam mo, pag in-interview siya, dati kasi happy-go-lucky lang talaga siya. Yung mga hindi pa sila kasama ni Barbie, ibang-iba talaga si Ginoo. Best in Hubad dito, best in Santolan Station dito, pabukol dito, pahubad dito, ganun talaga si Ginoo. Di ba, party dito, party doon, lay Boracay dito, lay Boracay doon. Kaya ngayon, di ba yung sinasabi ko before sa mga reaction video ko, naku, ang laki talaga ng pinagbago ni Ginoo na nakilala niya si Barbie Fortesa, sa totoo lang. Pero wait lang, balik tayo dito kay Barbie Fortesa na Instagram read. Kasi si Ginoo, hindi pa natin na-read. My God! Hindi pa natin na-read. Ay, ano to? Ano to, me? Grand conclusion of GMA Gala Artist. Talaga ba? Nasaan si Barbie? Anyways, pupunta naman tayo kay David ni Coco. Tingnan natin yung kay David Licao ko ng mga Instagram post. May post ba si David? Parang walang post si David. Simula kahapon, parang hindi siya nag-post. Tingnan natin. Ay, ito. Atake yung Ginoo. Atake. Atake si Ginoo. Wait. Ito, nag-post na siya. Ay, hindi 2 days ago pa to eh. Nagawa ko na ito ng reaction eh. Tingnan natin yung kanyang mga tags. Kasi yung mga tags, ando talaga yung chismis. Ito na naman yung gym. Ito na naman. 5 hours pala to, no? Just... Atake. Atake talaga ang GMA. In fairness sa GMA. Okay, what's next? Ito yung full video ng Oppo. May nag-post kanina na naka-iPhone ang hawak niya. My God, hindi man lang na-check mo na bago pinost yun. Ay, kasama si Sam. Is this si Miss Ginger? Si Miss Garlic. Si Barbie, ganda ni Barbie, oh. Atake si Barbie, no? Ay. It is what it is. Ganun talaga. Anyways. Daya Stars. Ito si Julie. Okay, what's next? Tignan natin yung mga tag. Wala man lang tag. Ito may mga picture na lumabas. Makeup artist din. Sino nga ito yung girl? I forgot this girl. Si Miss Joy. Si Miss Joy. Yun ba yung sinasabi niyo ayaw itabi? Si David? Yun ba yun? Hello? Yun ba yung si Miss Joy? Anyways, that is all for today's video from Barda. This is Kate Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!